Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove clothes and Discord avatar. Okay, let's get inside guys. First of all, we need to go to the avatar menu. Okay, and this is my current avatar. And I'm going to remove the clothes. We can go to the customize and then we're going to go to the clothing menu. And I'm going to remove this clothes. Okay, and I'm going to go to the outerwear, and this is the outerwear I'm wearing right now, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, and then this is the result. If you want to remove another clothes, you just need to go to the category right here. For example, if you want to remove the accessories, just go to the accessories. And the clothing, okay, I think I already removed all the clothes, but wait, I'm going to go to the bottoms. Okay, and let me remove this one. Alright, okay guys, and that's all the way to remove clothes and Discord avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.